Okay, I'm fine. Kinchana. Ayan. Ano nga ba yun? For requests. Ayan. Another video. We're at the foyer po of the house. As you can see, the two grills are already in place and applied with primer, epoxy primer gray. And ayan, we have the main door that is sealed, but you can always enter the window. Alright, yan. This part po is already been sandpaper, and I think they need to be second coated pa. This is the living room dining area. Ayan. May tubig ka na? Sige, tapanoorin natin yan. Mixing of skim coat po. Asa yung grinder mo? Mas maganda pag grinder. Hiram muna saglit. Here we are. Kulang sa tubig. Sobra pa yan. Nahirapan ikutin eh. Taas mo pala, taas mo onti. Dahan-dahan, taas. Yan. Yan, ganyan. O, diba? Hop, dahan-dahan. Naman pala eh. Ano ka, Dani? Alright, sige. Go on your way. And update po, we have a delivery of I think this is the last 120 by 60 by 120 delivered po yesterday ba or the other day. This is the design. Slight shade of gray brown, something like that. Ayan po. And we have a lot of tiles. Ayan po. Let's go to Tatay CR. They have a division already here. Toilet and shower. Concrete wall. Then on top is glass. Also, I think it will be concrete then glass on top here po. And the niches is not yet been excavated. Ayan. This is already been sandpaper also, so I think waiting to be wiped by wet clothing first to clean the dust, then apply the flat latex. also here. And let's go. Master bedroom. Nick, pakatapos naguyakit yung ano, ere, pakipunasan ha. Salamat, salamat. And then, here we are. We have the plumbing and the electrical guys doing the electrical works in here at your bathroom po. Here's your niches ate. The shower will be on the middle. And we have your exhaust there. If this is ano na po, if this is all wired, this will be covered with what do you call this? Hardiplex. Man, okay na tayo ron sa ano ha, toilet ha. Ha? Di ba? Oo, sinabi na ni Sir Soleto. Okay na, di ba? Alista mo na lang ha sa mga additionals. Alista mo na lang. Pag-usapan na lang natin sa ano. They've delivered already po the wires. Ano yung kulang? Isang box na ano yun? 14? 12? 14. They delivered all the ano po 4 boxes of number 12 wires and 3 boxes of number 14. They just need to bring another one, 14. That is our order. Let's go to your master bedroom. Ayan. Atid na ano na ere, na-is-is na ere. Nasa, hindi pa so.
Tapos computer test kasi tayo.
Latex. Ayun. Ayan. The ceiling is done. Need to be sandpaper first. And then, if there's some retouches to do, will be retouched. Then, waiting to be applied by flat latex po. Before painting. Ayan po. Ayan natin. Babush!